forms. Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at the topic on rational numbers, and we're looking at multiplication, division and raising to a higher power. Okay, so examples dealing with that thing. Of course there are two methods, as you could see from the previous exercise, in which we can approach a mixed number. We can either keep the mixed number in its form, or we can change it to improper fractions, and that is the what's the name that we have been following since term 1. Not so, we're always changing the mixed numbers to improper fractions, and even our answer we leave it in improper fractions. We are not awarded a mark if you ask to write if you convert your answer into mixed fraction form, unless the question states convert to a mixed fraction. Then okay, then we would do that. But in algebra we tend to leave a fraction in improper form, okay, because of the nature of that fraction. So now we're looking at the example on page 66, and here we are told that in each case, okay, so we are not going to do both methods, we are only going to do the one method, okay. So change the fraction to improper. So as I said, I'm only going to do the one method, because why? That is more geared to the point in which we are heading towards. Okay. So if the example says, example 1 on page 68, simplify. So we got 5 and 3 over 4 minus 8 and 5 over 8. People, what's the first thing we need to do? Change the improper fraction. So 5 and 3 over 4 can be written as 23 over 4. So we multiply and we add. Multiply and add. So it's minus 64 plus 5, 69 over 8. So what do we do now? Find the LCM. And what's my LCM here? 8. So I must multiply that by 2. So I get 46 minus, multiply that by 1. So it's 1. So it's 69. So people, what number is bigger? 46 or 69? The number, not in terms of the sign. The number, 69. So the answer must be negative. So I must subtract the two numbers, not so. So it's going to be 69 minus 46. So it's 323. Alright, you guys understand? Any confusion? Okay? Right, number 2. Number 2, we have got negative 2a plus 1 and 3 over 8a. So what do we need to do first? Change to improper fractions. So it's negative 2a plus. It's 8 plus 3 is 11 over 8a. So what do we do now? We look for an LCM. So the first step is to change the improper fraction. We'll be finding an LCM. What's my LCM here, people? 8. So let's multiply 1 by 8. So negative 2a times 8, negative 16a. Plus, you must multiply this by 1. So that's going to give you 11. So what is negative 16a? So which number is bigger? 16 or 11? 16. So it's going to be negative. So we must subtract. So what is 16 minus 11? 5. It's negative 5a over. Alright, you guys okay with that? Sorry? What? What you say? Right, number 3. So where do we start? Write it in improper form. So let's multiply and add. So that's going to give us 10 over 3x. The x Because next to it can be written on top. Not so. So it's minus what? 5x over 2. What's my LCM here, people? 6. So you multiply this by? Let's multiply this by? So 10x times 2, 20x minus 15. People, which number is greater? 20 or 15? 20. So the ultimate answer is going to be positive. So 20 minus 15 is 5. So it's 5x over. I don't need this plus. Okay, you guys understand? Next one. Number 4. So what's your LCM here? Between 2, 1 and 5. It's going to be 10. So this must be multiplied by 5. This must be multiplied by 10. 5 must be multiplied by 2. So what is negative 7ab times 5? Negative 35ab plus 3ab times 10, 30ab. Negative 2ab times 2, negative 4. Okay. Between 35 and 30, which one is greater? 35. So between those two, the number is going to be negative. So what's 35 minus 30? 5. So negative 35ab plus 30ab is negative 5ab. Not so? Minus 4ab. The signs are the same. So the ultimate answer is going to be negative. And then I add the numbers. When the signs are the same, I add. When it's different, I subtract. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is going to be 9. Can you see that, people? So it's going to be negative 9ab over 10. Can be written like that, or negative 9 over 10ab. Okay. We'll see me write it more often in that format. Okay. But if you write it in there, it's no problem. Okay. Any confusion? Alright, let's carry on with our lives. Now we're looking at multiplication and division, multiplication, division and raising powers. So multiplication. People, if you got 2 over 3 times 5 over 7, is there any numerator and denominator that can cancel them? No. So it's straight multiplication. The 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 7 is 21. The numerator and denominator can cancel in number 2? No. So it's A times C, AC over BD. Let's look at number 3. Is there any numerator and denominator can cancel in? Yes. There's 2 ways I could have done this. No? I'll do the other way afterwards. So what I do is I can cancel where I can. So 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 go into 4, twice. 2 go into 2 ones, 2 go into 2 ones. X cancels X. So it's 3 times Y squared. Oh wait. The Y can also cancel, not so. Okay, it goes once and there goes a Y. So 3 times Y is 3Y over 1, which is 3. That's one way of doing it. I can do the cancelling for. What's wrong, Michael?
Nothing, sir.
So why did you call her?
I didn't, sir.
Huh?
I didn't.
Now why are you waving at her? Are you normal? Huh?
She looked this way, sir.
And you waved at her. Now you're taking her attention away from the lesson. Now must I now feel? Okay. People, that's one way of doing it. Otherwise, what I could also do is I simplify the numbers only. So 2 goes into 1s, 2 goes into 3, no. 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 cancels 2. So 3x times y squared is 3xy squared over x times y is xy. Not so. And then x cancels x, so it's 3, and y cancel one of those y's, is 3y. That's another way of doing it. Alternatively, third way, you multiply the top, so it's going to give you 12xy squared. Multiply the bottom, is going to be 4xy. And of course 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 12 3 times. The x's cancelled, there's more y's on top, so it's 3y. People, any of the three methods are acceptable. Okay? But you will see I apply this one more often. First just sort out the numbers, multiply the variables, and then simplify the answer. But if you want to simplify everything first, no problem. You want to multiply everything first, no problem. It's all going to give you the same answer. Do you guys understand? Am I moving too fast? Huh? No. Am I talking too much? Yes, okay. Talk a bit less. People, we're on page 66 now, okay? I don't think I changed the page number. 66. I gave the wrong reference here. You're on page 66 now. Right, division. So people, we did fractions, we did it extensively, not so. So what do we need to do here? We need to tumble and times, not so. 6 over 5. So can anything cancel here? Yes. 2 goes into 4 twice, into here thrice. 3 times 3 is 9 over. You all okay with that? Let's look at the next one. You see here, this is the half divided by 3 over 4. Can you see that? It's the half divided by 3 over 4. It's the same as saying half times 4 over 3. That's basically what they did there. Do you guys understand? It's called a complex fraction. It's a fraction over a fraction. Okay, so is can anything cancel here? Yes. 2 going to 2 once. 2 going to 4? What's 1 times 2? 2 over. 1 times 3? You guys understand? Let's look at the next one. This is going to be 4 divided by 1 over 5. That's naturally over 1. So it's 4 more. Over 1 times 5 over 1. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 over 1 is 20. You all agree with that? Look at the next one. It's also divided. There's 2 over 3 divided by 2. And it's 2 over 1. It is 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. Is there anything can cancel? Yes. 2 going to 2 ones, 2 going to 2 ones. So 1 times 1 is 1 over 3. Is 1 over the 3 the same as 3? No. 3 over 1 is 3. But 1 over 3 is never 3. If you thought in your mind, you could have written it as 3. Make a note on the side for yourself. Okay? So get number 5. Okay, so 5a over 3 divided by 8. So it will be 5a over 3 multiplied by 1 over 8. So what's 5a times 1? Is there anything you can cancel of the numbers? No. What's 5a times 1? What's 3 times 8? Yeah. So what's going to happen? 8 is cancelled. Leaves you with 5 over 8. Okay. Is that girl coming back to our school? That's the thing I didn't know. She left? She's sick of us. Tell her we're missing her, no? You're not missing her? Oh my word. You're not concerned about others? So the day when you're sick, nobody's going to be concerned about you. Okay, you see, raising to the higher power. Right. People, 2 over 3 all squared. That means to say it's going to be 2 squared over 3 squared, which is 4 over 9. You all agree with that? Let's look at number 2. What can happen here? So it's going to give you 1 over 4. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. Over 2 times 2, which is 4. Minus 3 squared is 9 over 16. People, what's your LCM here? 16. So I was multiplied by 4. Before multiplied by. So 1 times 9 is 9. Which number is bigger, 4 or 6, or 4 or 9? 9. So the ultimate answer is going to be? Negative. So what's 9 minus 4? 5 over 6. Remember the signs were opposite, so I can subtract. The signs are the same, I must add. Irrespective if it's negative. Like minus 1 minus 2. You're going to add it, it's going to give you minus 3. Okay. Let's look at number 3. What needs to be done first? Improper fraction. So that's going to give us 9 over 4 squared must be divided by. Now this I can sort out here. Not so. So 1 cube is 1 over negative cube. Is 3 negatives. It's going to be negative or positive? Negative. 8 negatives will give you what? Positive. So even amount of negatives will always be a positive. And an odd amount of negatives will always be a negative. Okay. So it's going to be negative. 2 cube is 8. People, what is 9 squared? 81 over 4 squared? 16. Change to multiplication. Tumble and times. So the 1 over negative 8 is going to become negative 8 over. Okay. What number goes into 8 into 16 without a remainder? 8. 8 goes into 8 once. 8 goes into 16 once. So it's 81 times negative 1. It's negative 81 over 2 times 1 is. Or I can write it as negative 40 and a half. Or negative 40.5. Okay. So this is just a refresh on what we have done in term 1 as well. Okay. So this is not new to you, no? Right. Now we're going to look at the examples. Okay. So we're looking at the examples on page 66. Right. So you got 2 1/4 divided by 1 1/5. So what do I do first? Improper fraction. So it's going to be 9 over 4 divided by 6 over 5. You see, I don't change the multiplication yet. First change the improper fraction. Okay. Now what do? We change this to multiplication, we tumble and times. So it's 9 over 4 times 5 over 6. Now what? Simplify. So 3 goes into 9 thrice, 3 goes into 6 twice. Anything else that you cancel? So 3 times 5 is over, or 1 and 7 over 8. Okay. Next, number 2. Right, what's going to happen here? Improper fraction first. You see, the same steps get applied all the time. So that's going to give us 10 over 3. Change this to multiplication. 6 over 5 times 4 over 3. What do we do now? Now we simplify. Okay. Is there anything I can simplify here? Yes. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 6. 12. 5 going to 5 once, 5 going to 10. 2 times 2 is? Times 4 is? 16. Over? 3. Or 5 and a third. Okay. You all understand? Huh? Right. Right, so now we're going to start doing this together now. So write then the sum down is 3p over 2q divided by 9q over 4. Okay, so what we do? Let's first change to multiplication, not sum. So it's 3p over 2q times 4 over 9q. You all got that? So what do I do now? Simplify. So you guys simplify already? Yes? So 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 9, 3 times. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4, twice. So 1p times 2 is going to give you 2p over q times 3q. 3q. Who got that right? Where did you go wrong, Michael? Yeah, the one. Huh? You didn't do it? What? Why? Don't you understand? Okay, so you're going to do the next one first. So there's the next one, do that one quickly. Quick, no? Right, what's the answer? Too quick. Yes, my girl, what do you get? Sunny? 1/5. Is she correct? Yes. Right, let's check. So it's 5 over 9 divided by, does need to be sorted out first, 25 over 9. So you get 5 over 9 times 9 over 25. 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 9 once. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 25, 5 times. So 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 5 is 5. She's absolutely correct. Okay. Look at number 5. Right. Do that one quickly. Quick. Right. So what do we do first? Change to multiplication. So it's tumble and times. So it's going to give you 5 over 8. Anything that can cancel here? Yes. What can cancel? A and A. Otherwise I would have said 5A over 2A. No? So the answer is 5/2. Right, you guys okay with that? Okay, we'll do another one. Here we go, 6. Do it quickly. Negative x divided by 1/x. Right, what's the answer? Negative x squared. Nice. So naturally that's over 1. It's negative x over 1 multiplied by x over 1. Negative times negative is, negative times positive is negative. X times x squared. 1 times 1 is 1. So it's negative x squared. Nice. Here's the next one, number 7. We got 3a over 8b divided by 6a squared over 4x. Right, what's the answer? Is it correct? What do you have? Huh? 1x over 4. Who got that answer? Yes. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Hafsa, go for it. What did you write? Oh, it's an 8.
Oh wait, no.
Say what you wrote.
It's 3 over 8 times 4 to 6.
3a over 8p.
That's right.
Yes, times.
4x over 6 8 over 2.
Right.
And simplify.
What cancelled here?
3 and 6.
3 going to 3 1, 3 going to 6 twice.
And 8 and 8.
A and a, yes.
And then we got 1 8. And then 8 and 4.
8, 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. So what you have left is the x, the p, the 2 and the 8. No? So let's see. That's simply going to give us is x on top over 2p times 2a, 4ap. She's correct. Who got this wrong? Where did you go wrong, Michael?
Instead of writing 1x over 4x, I wrote 1x over 4x. When I was
So you didn't pick up the a here. Now you see, now that is exactly the reason why I never cancel variables there. Remember I told you, I only cancel numbers in there. That is exactly the reason why. Because of my handwriting. No? I tend not to. So for me it's dangerous. And I don't want to get the sum wrong. Not so? I'm greedy for marks. So what I do is I say, okay, 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. You see, numbers is easy to see. So that is simply going to give us ax over 4a squared p. And now it's clearly, you can see the variables clear now. So my numbers are sorted. So it's 4. There's more a's at the bottom. So 2 minus 1 is 1. There's no x's at the bottom, so it remains on top. There's no p's at the top, so it remains at the bottom. So that is the route I follow. Okay. So if you are the one who is like me, your handwriting is a bit dodgy, It's going to be better to go this route here. Okay. Right, well done there to Gerse. Okay, we'll do another one. I know deep down inside you guys want to do more than this. Right, there we go. Come girls. You guys gonna write the test on Monday on the stuff, no? Right, so you guys are ready? Who's finished? I just give the others a chance. See this side of the class a little slower. Bovin, you start watching it, finish with it. Huh? You got it. I didn't ask you yet. Did you watch it? How many did you watch? Yeah, seven. Go quick, no? So we are writing in 3 weeks time. Right, so let's go people, what do we get? Does this square apply on this negative here? No. It only applies on the bracket. So negative to an even exponent will always be positive. It's positive. Positive, a squared over 4 times a over 2. You all agree with that? So what is negative times positive times negative? Negative. Is there any numbers that can simplify here? No. So it's a squared times a cubed over 3 times 4. Who got that right? Nice. I see some of you must sit on that side of the class.
No.
Huh? You don't want to sit that side? Doesn't even get it right? Yeah, listen, there's many methods of doing this. Okay, you can do it out of brackets, or you can write that bracket out twice, or whatever. It will give you, as long as you made no mistake, it's going to be there. Yes, Rudolph? Okay, another problem. So she says, she multiplied that first. Is that what you're saying? Haram. Haram. You go on to that first. Why? Because of the square. Oh, you first did the square.
I did the square inside the bracket that the times
No, but if you take the square inside the bracket, then this must be positive. Because a negative squared is negative times negative. Because I remember if you got negative a over 2 squared, that actually means negative a over 2 times negative a over 2. Negative times negative positive, a squared over 4. So if you're saying that you wrote a negative here, and you got the same answer, exactly the same answer, you made 2 mistakes in the same line, in the same sign. Read for me what you have. Your second line, eh? Read from your second line. The second line.
Sorry, sir. Oh.
You should have negative open brackets.
No, sir, I didn't. Yes, sir.
Okay, show me. Stay on that side. Yeah.
I just.
You see, there you took this the square, and then you multiplied it out. But now where's that negative sign?
Oh.
So that is your second mistake. You remember I told you you made 2 mistakes in one line. But there's no negative here.
Oh.
You understand? You didn't bring that down. That is why. So make a note there. Nah? Anybody else that's confused? No. Okay, we'll do another one. Right, number 9. Alright, you guys ready? I'll give you another couple of seconds. Wrap it up. Oh, it's cold, man. Yes, Cassidy, Kelsey. Yes. There you go. Why did you say that? Oh yeah, you must change your name. Yes. Right, let's go for it. Where do we start? Change to? Multiplication. Well, who got an answer here? What's your answer? Yes, Michael? Now, but 2 and 4 can cancel. So you're going to give you x squared over 2. Well done. So you're going to get x squared over 2 multiplied by x over 3 times 6 over 2x. See any of the numbers that can cancel? Yes. So 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 6. Thrice, 3 cancels 3. Not so. So x squared times x cubed over 2 times x, 2x. Where's the more x's? Top. So it's going to be x 3 minus 1, which is 2 over. Please don't die here. Only a joke, if you really want to, it's fine. Only a joke, only a joke. Right, number 10. Here we go, settle down. Shh. Number 10. Was there an answer? Oops. Alright, so what must be done first? Of must be changed to multiplication. So it's 3 over 4 times 16a squared over 1. Change that to multiplication 2 over a. But this must be done first. Not so. But if it's all multiplication, it makes no difference there. Can you see that? So if you had done it first and then divided to a over 2 afterwards, you'll get the same answer in this case. Okay. So that's going to be equal to, anything you can cancel here? 4 going to 4 once. 4 going to 16? 4 times. She says A and A, so that cancels. So I got 3 times 4A, 3 times 4A is 12A times 2 is 24A over 1, which is, who got that right? Okay, nice. This is not the middle, or he's not playing along. Cornelius, what did you do? Sorry? What are you confused about? From the number 3. Oh, this one. Okay, let's do it again. And we're going to ask Ms. Cornelius to do this one first. Okay. What do you think we're going to do? What does of mean? Yes, multiplication. Nice. So it's going to be 3 over 4 multiplied by 16a squared over 1. What can happen to this this division? Change multiplication. So it's going to be 2 over. Now what do you think you're going to do? Cough a little, yes. What after that? Simplify. Why do you simplify? Why do you simplify? What number does 4 go into without the remainder? Huh? Can go into 16 and can go into 2 if needed. Okay? So 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 16, 4 times. So 3 times 4a squared is 12a squared times 2 is 24a squared over a. Can you see that? So a cancel one of those a, so it's 24. Okay. People, for homework, I would like you guys to do exercise 3 on page 67. Those are odd numbers. Okay, Chris is not here, so somebody needs to put in the group. Who's going to put in the group? Who's going to type it in the group first? Princess? Okay. You will enjoy the weekend. Good morning, class. Good morning, sir.